Alright guys, so today I'm going to show us how to unsubscribe or cancel any subscription of any kind through your Google Play Store. A subscription that will automatically charge you every month, right? So all you need to do is to click on Google Play Store, click on your profile icon, click on payment and subscription, head on to subscription. So as you can see, I've subscribed to LinkedIn monthly subscription. So I'll have to click here and then click on cancel subscription. Okay, so this is how to cancel any subscription of any kind. If you've gained value from this video, do well to smash that like button, click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.